Welcome to What's Cookin' at Camposasso. We are Rebecca and Pierre, and we live between Florence and Chianti Classico with our two sons, Julian and Oliver, and our Australian Shepherd, Frisbee. We met each other while Rebecca, was guiding a Tuscan wine tour, and Pierre was visiting as a winemaker from France. Fast forward 15 years, we now run grape tours together, opened Formaggioteca Terroir, a cheese and wine bar in Florence, and recently we finished renovating our farmhouse, Camposasso, where we make olive oil, wine, and aged cheese. We love good wine and food, so we're inviting some of our favorite foodies to cook here at Camposasso to share a recipe and tell their stories. Frisbee, who's coming to visit us today? Huh? Alberto. Oh, gosh. Basta. Ciao. Welcome. This is Camposasso.
Bellissimo. E qui cosa abbiamo?
We have a wine window. You can try a knock and see if there's anybody inside.
Oh, Alberto! Hello, Sara!
Thank you. Here you go, Alberto. Welcome, you guys.
Thank you.
Do you have one for you? Cheers! Let's get cooking. This is a good start. Yeah. But I can't wait to see what you're going to cook for us today. Do you want to come inside?
Certo.
Yeah? You're hungry. He's always hungry. All right.
Hello everybody, we are Alberto and Sara del ristorante 1126 della fattoria di Cinciano.
Oggi siamo qui a Camposasso per presentarvi il nostro risotto del cuore, cacio e pepe con guanciale croccante.
Welcome inside my cheese cellar at Camposasso. I'm Pierre, and I was born on a sheep farm in France, where the famous French blue cheese, Roquefort, is made. After many years of being a winemaker in France, I'm now dedicated to the complex art of selecting, maturing, and refining cheese. Because of the special conditions in our cheese cellar concerning humidity, temperature, and ventilation, I can bring cheeses to their perfect maturation. Then, I bring them to the Formaggioteca Terroir in Florence, where you can taste them.
Ciao Alberto! Ciao Pierre! Come fai? Come stai? Bene?
Bene, tutto a posto.
Bene.
I heard you are making a risotto, right?
Sì, perfetto.
We need a special one. Pecorino,
Ah,
black
fantastico.
sheep. This one.
Eccolo lì, è lui.
See, the other one are still young. This one is also black sheep. It's canestrato in Italian. It was washed with olive skin. It's 12 months old, so I think it's hard enough for you for the risotto. We can see it's super hard. Look. Full of perfume.
Questo è perfetto.
Perfetto.
Perfetto. E
Let's
per
go.
il Cacio, yes.
So we cut in two.
Mhm.
Okay. Let's go.
Eccolo.
Allez. Cut. It's like to be on a boat. So I'll give you this for you. Have a good
Grazie mille. Ciao ciao.
See you later.
So, Alberto and Sara, welcome to the kitchen of Camposasso. I hope it lives up to your standards. So we're going to be cooking a risotto today. Can you explain something about this recipe, why you chose this one?
Quindi ho scelto di fare questa ricetta risotto cacio e pepe col guanciale croccante perché fa parte delle nostre origini e vengono utilizzati comunque sia ingredienti che fanno parte del patrimonio toscano, come il guanciale e il pecorino di Pierre in questo caso. Risotto perché piace molto fare il risotto, insomma è una delle mie passioni.
Sarah and Alberto, how did you guys get together as a couple?
Vai, cominci tu?
Vabbè, diciamo che noi, insomma, la realtà ci siamo conosciuti a scuola all'alberghiero, è iniziata insomma
una grande amicizia,
una forte amicizia che poi insomma si è trasformata quindi nella vita e nel lavoro da
20 anni.
Is it difficult to combine the restaurant business with having a family?
Sì, però siamo bravi, riusciamo ad incastrarci perché abbiamo le famiglie lontane, abbiamo anche molti amici, per cui ci siamo fatti una seconda famiglia perché gli amici sono la famiglia che ti scegli e quindi grazie a loro riusciamo a compensare un po' tutto.
Formaggio is the Italian word for cheese, but you're using another word, Cacio.
Cacio perché fa parte insomma dello slang romano, quindi il formaggio viene identificato con questo nome generico che è Cacio. Quindi Cacio per la pasta, il Cacio per il risotto, il Cacio sui maccheroni, quindi identifica, ecco, generalizza la parola formaggio.
I love that there's a slang word in Italian for cheese. Inside the restaurant, what's your specialties? Like, do you have, you do the primi, you do the secondi, like how do you, who's good at what? And do you agree on that?
Io dico sempre, lui è la parte salata, io sono la parte dolce, quindi lui è quello che si occupa più dei primi e dei secondi, io quello che poi antipasti e dolci. Io inizio e finisco.
Prepare a pot of water and bring to a boil. This will be used to deglaze and cook the rice. Alberto recommends using water over broth to keep the flavors neutral and distinct. Toast the rice in a pan over medium heat for about 2 minutes without adding oil or butter. Once it reaches the desired level of toasting, deglaze with water, season with salt to taste, and continue cooking the rice, gradually adding water for about 12 minutes. Meanwhile, clean the guanciale by removing the rind and pepper. Cut it into slices and then into small strips. Place them in a pan over low heat so the fat melts and becomes brownish and crisp. Once ready, drain the guanciale and place it on absorbent paper to remove the excess fat. At this point, the rice will be ready for creaming. Turn off the heat and add the Camposasso extra virgin olive oil, the aged Pecorino cheese and pepper, stirring vigorously. Check for salt and simply serve with the crispy guanciale on top. Look at Frisbee. No! Frisbee! L'ha quasi preso, eh?
Sì, sì.
Grazie.
Voila. Thank you.
I do want to put on a wine that you are very familiar with. Cinciano. Exactly. Cinciano, Chianti Classico, Riserva.
Oh.
I am looking forward to trying this. Chin chin. Chin. Thank you so much for coming. Fattoria di Cinciano is one of the stunning wineries we visit on our grape tours. We also do lunch at the winery's restaurant, 1126, savoring a delicious Tuscan menu created by Alberto Sara and paired with the winery's own wines. The Chianti Classico Riserva that we're drinking today is tasting mighty fine, of rye-bred fruits such as cherries and plums, intertwined with notes of violet, spices, and earthy undertones. It pairs well with a wide number of rich and flavorful dishes, including steak, charcuterie, and aged cheeses. Sara, Alberto, thank you so much for taking the time to come to Camposasso and for showing everybody this wonderful risotto recipe. I think everybody will have to try it.
Number
because
one.
It's still delicious.
Thank you. Grazie mille.
Grazie.
È stato un
grazie,
piacere
stato un
anche per
piacere.
noi.
Thanks so much for watching along with us. You will find the recipe in the comments below. Remember that you can take a wine tour in Tuscany with grape tours, and you can taste our cheeses in Florence at Formaggio te Cacio. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, so we'll see you soon back here at Camposasso for a new recipe.